Quickly moving on to the techniques, as I said, I would spend more time on the techniques and the specific aspects of the tools that we need to do. I think that's going to come up in the next sessions. But just wanted to give a kind of a glimpse into what is it that we need to do. So just on that one, so as business analysts, we need to be, today it's all about the technology. So mobile first, everything is mobile nowadays. And as we discussed yesterday with Sarika, she was talking about digital business analyst and digital transformation and mobile first, and then agile. Everything is being developed using agile methods and technologies. And then it's all about the social media. We've got Facebooks and the Twitters, and everything is actually connecting people and how it works together. So if you ask me simply, if we have the techniques, the awareness and the knowledge of these different platforms, the technologies, the applications, the systems, and the tools across these different themes like digital, mobile, agile, social, I think we've done enough to get a better BA. In terms of the other skills that we need to know how to manage the risks. Risk in terms of internal risks, external risks, identifying them, and then coming up with some kind of mitigation of those risks. Again, that's a key area that a BA is supposed to understand and work with the project management team. Decision making, very important. We should be able to take decisions, prioritize which feature is going to which release, what is the release date, can we actually alter the release date. We should be able to actually work in tandem. That's not something which we can have solely, but we should be able to work in tandem with the people involved, with the product owners and product managers. And then quality, all the quality related stuff, quality management, how can we induce quality to the project, ability to present stuff, ability to communicate and then articulate all these views with the development team, with external stakeholders, benefits realization, benefits planning, benefits management, much earlier as well as after the delivery. So what we call as PIR, project implementation report or post-implementation report of a project. Once we do that review, we can actually identify what benefits had been accrued so far and how we can carry it forward through the whole journey, and then how we can improve on a sustainable basis. And the user experience bit, definitely, I think that's important. We need to have a lot of different user experience skills, prototyping, user interviewing. I think that's what I was talking about, persona development, visual design, some of the navigation aspect of it, interaction, presentation, content. All of these skills are important in the context of user experience. Again, I'm going to have a session separately for that. And stakeholders, again, definitely a lot of management of stakeholders, engaging stakeholders. That's what Priya and Sarika were talking about on the practical term as well, how stakeholder management is significantly important, significantly adding value to the BA role. And then of course, it's important to know the technologies, what are the technologies, how we can use those technologies as tools. Again, mobile first, as what we call, we've got loads of these applications out there, apps, systems, Jira, Trellos, and OmniGraffles and these things, and how we can Evernote, for example, for taking the notes and managing your notes, and a bit of Photoshop or all these sketch tools and things like that. All of these are really helping us to actually be productive, increase our productivity. And then the ability to test the software. So some of the ability to do the quality assurance, quality control, validation and verification of some of the features that were developed. Again, a significant thing that we need to attain. And then of course, this is the interview on the left is basically the interviewing skill, and then the workshops and then meeting with the teams, maintain the Kanban boards, the to do, doing, done, some kind of that, or analysis, design, development, deployment, whatever it is. It could be about managing that kind of a thing in terms of the overall. Again, all it gets down to is the productivity. How can we increase the productivity with all these different tools, all these different data modeling, trying to increase the productivity of our own selves as well as the team and the organization as a whole. So that's pretty much the overall. Yeah, that's pretty much kind of a quick overview in terms of the key skills that you would need as a business analyst. I think we've covered significant ground there, but then I want to actually highlight all of those things that I thought as really important for you to acquire as your skill set from the soft skills point of view, as well as from the point of view of the the harder skills. We're going to talk about the specific set of techniques in the upcoming session.